Let's continue. We have finished talking about copy. We can close this. Can close that. Let's talk about cuts. When we say cuts, that means you are destroying. Let me use that word. You are destroying the original document. Assuming if I say cut something, cut your hand, what happened? You are destroying your hand. Cut your table, cut your chair. So assuming, remember, anything you want to do in computer, you must select. We will teach you how to select. So if I select now, and I click on cut, look at it, Control X, remove the selection and put it on the clipboard. That was what I was saying. Put it on the clipboard so you can paste it somewhere else. So I will not waste time here. So cut is control what? Control X. Let's go to our shortcuts. Cut is control plus control plus X. Control plus X is equal to what? Is equal to cuts. So that is cut for you. Control cuts will destroy. I'm using destroy so that you understand what I mean. So if I come here, I'll say cut. I press my control X. It has removed the original document, but it still pasted it still have it on the clipboard. Look at it here. Hmm? Look at it here. So ready for pasting. So I can take it to anywhere. Let me close this. I can take it to anywhere. I scroll down, I scroll down, I scroll down. Where should I paste it? Okay, let me paste it here. Then I can paste it here. Control V. You see, I have pasted it here. I can keep on pasting it. Is the same thing like when we did copy. You can paste it till eternity. So it will not tell you, oh, you have pasted me too much. Computer doesn't talk. Computer doesn't do anything. It does not have intelligence. So it is what we do that it will accept. So this is your cut. We have talked about cut. We have talked about copy, and we have talked about paste. If you come here, we click on paste, it will keep on pasting the item we copied or we cut. So your paste is control V. Paste is what? Control V. So let's go to our shortcuts. Okay, we already did paste. So look at control V is for paste, control C is for copy, control X is for cut. I'm writing them so that you won't have any reason to say I don't know the shortcut. It is not my place to. When you start using computer, it automatically becomes part and parcel of you that you know the shortcuts. So don't stress yourself, but know that control A is select all. If I press control A from my keyboard, just press, let me bring my keyboard, 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 keyboard. So if I bring my keyboard now, I first of all I have to click on a particular place, then I press down my control key, then I press A. It has selected everything. So that is what you do inside of your keyboard. So control A is selects all. Control A do what? Or does what? Control A means select all. Let me go here. Let me go to the very first beginning to do that. Control A, control plus control plus A does what? It selects all. Control A is select all. Selects all. That means select all the documents. Selects all. What is it? Okay, select all. Select all. Select all is control A. So each time I want to select all the documents, all I press is control A. It will select all the documents. We will talk about that while you select all. So basically we have talked about copy, we have talked about cut, we have talked about paste. Let's consider the format painter. Format painter is basically when you want to superimpose a property on another property. In Corel Draw, we call it copy properties from. In Corel Draw, we will talk about copy properties from. That means I'm superimposing another property on another property. Assuming I select this item now, then I make it red. I make it red. Then I want this other line or any of these word to have the same color like this. What I will do is just allow, please take the cursor to the property you want to copy, the text you want to copy properties from. Like now, let me separate this. We are having red here and this one is black, so we want this other, okay, let's say ensure, we want ensure to also be red, so we will not allow the cursor to be here. So if we take the cursor to this red position and we come and click on format painter, let's read what format painter does. Like format painter, like the look of a particular selection, you can apply that look to other content in the document. To get started, what we do is, that is what it means. That means you want to superimpose. So assuming my cursor is blinking here and I want to make this other one red, maybe assuming I don't know the color of this, because most times what happens is when you've forgotten a formatting that you did in a particular text or a particular document, you can format painter. So I click here, then I come and click on format painter, then I come and drag on this particular thing now and I leave it. It has changed to red. Okay, assuming I want this place, I want the whole of this to be red, so I'll allow my cursor to be blinking here, then I come and call it, pick this, then I come and drag here. It has changed the property and even the text font. You see, it was bold. Now look at how it is, it's bold now. So but this one is red with a different, it is not bold. So if I say format painter, I click here, then I come to this one, sorry, I click here, then I come to format painter, come and click, and I drag it, and you see it has changed the color and even the bold has been removed. So that is format painter for you. That is what format painter does. Okay, assuming I put this color to be another color, I come here and I change the color to something like this. Let me look for something that is visible. So that is the color that I've changed it to. Then I want this other one to look like this one. So all I need to bring is to bring my cursor here. My cursor is there. Then I come to format painter. Then I come and drag from here. Then I leave it. You see what has happened? It has superimposed the property of this one, that the place that the cursor was blinking, it has superimposed the property on another one. So that is for your clipboard. I've been able to tell you what copy is. I've been able to tell you what clipboard means. I've been able to tell you what cut is, copy is, paste is, and what format painter is. Coming back, we will be talking about the font group. We are done with the clipboard group. Let's move to the font group.